Well, we can easily solve for this leg a here. If we want a decimal, you all can do that. But let's go over this simplified radical form business. So we're going to do this two different ways. First directly, then we're going to use a little trick over here. So let's get to it. Again, you know how to set up Pythagorean Theorem by now. You're all aspiring mathematicians here. Okay, we square the 20, we square the 24. Remember, we subtract the 400, we get 176. So I know that a is the square root of 176. Now, here's where we often get stuck. You can pull out your calculator and get a decimal, but I want simplified radical form. And I trying to divide, find out what kind of factors go in there. Maybe, just maybe, I notice that 176 is divisible by 16. Well, I don't know, if you could see that, that's great. And then we know that the square root of 16 is the whole number 4. So simplified radical form will be 4 radical 11 for this missing side right here. Now, let's suppose you don't have those eagle eyes and you want to try something easier. Look at this. Look how easy this is. I'm going to imagine a triangle here, the orange one. Like this goes, wow. Okay. So what I've done here is I've taken the 3 sides and I've made them relatively prime. Well, at least the 24 and the 20. 24 and 20 contain a factor of 4. Let me take that factor of 4 out. And if I do that, well, let me see, 24 and 20, I'm going to have 6 and 5. So now I'm going to, and I'll just refer to this as A prime. It's not really A, it's 1/4 the size of A. So let's solve the Pythagorean theorem for the orange triangle. Okay, so I've got 5 and the 6. Well, these are smaller numbers. This looks really easy, 25 and 36. Let me see, I subtract that 25 from both sides. Looks like the a prime squared is 11. Taking the square root of both sides, a prime is radical 11. And since everything in the orange, or each of the corresponding lengths, that's similar triangles, is 1/4 of this one, the blue one, I must multiply by 4 to go from orange to blue. So, therefore, if a prime is radical 11, a is 4 radical